Hey everybody, good afternoon. This is Jerry Z with Rovi Homes, your favorite Mass and Connecticut realtor. Here we are today in South Boston on this glorious spring day to welcome this new listing to the market. It's a proper triple decker. All right, 381 Adams Street. Let's go take a look. This double bow triple decker is located in a highly sought after neighborhood, only blocks from Adams Village in Dorchester. This property is zoned as individual condo units, so you can rent them or sell them individually, your choice. So this rare opportunity to own a multi-family building in this up-and-coming area has private off-street parking, over 3,600 square feet of living area, and the location is prime, people. Minutes to Fields Corner Red Line Station, Malibu Beach, UMASS Boston, I-93 for commuting, and really a few short blocks from really great retail, bars, and restaurants. All units have been renovated top to bottom. The third floor will convey vacant at close for all you owner-occupieds and house hackers. This property boasts 3 well-maintained 2-bedroom, 1-bath units. All units have turn-of-the-century charm and boast tall ceilings, French doors, hardwood floors, charming woodworking, and built-ins. There are front and back porches on 2 out of the 3 units. The flat rubber roof was replaced 4 years ago, and the basement contains tenant storage, separate newer electrical panels, forced air heaters, and hot water tanks for each unit. Well, I hope you've enjoyed the tour of this triple decker in South Boston. If you are interested in any real estate, buy, sell, or invest, contact me, Jerry Z, because I want to work with you. We'll see you on the next one.